What's up? This is Chris Colgan, and I have a $2,000 mystery box I got from Sneaker Knockerz. My boy Nick hooked me up with this mystery box, and I've been sitting on this thing for a couple days, and I am so pumped to open it and see what we got. So this is my first mystery box opening, so let's check this out and see what we got here. And this has been like so tough not to freaking open this thing over like the last couple days. And I'm feeling pretty good. This is like a smaller box for $2,000, so I'm thinking there's gonna be some pretty sick stuff in here. I'm hoping, at least. All right, so here we go. All right, so the first thing I'm seeing, looks like I'm seeing Billie Eilish. Nice, so we got a Billie Eilish Americani collab t-shirt. My guess, it's a pretty sick shirt. My guess this is probably like a $30 t-shirt, but still pretty sick, brand new. See here, oh man. All right, well, they threw in a Sneaker Knockerz shirt like that, but I'm seeing two Nike boxes in here. I'm getting pretty pumped. Two Nike SB Dunk boxes. First one, size 12 we got, and let's see. Oh, wait a minute. I'm gonna open this one next. Let me go back real quick.
Next Saturday night, we're sending you back to the future.
This one right here. Let's see. I don't know what this is. All right, Nike. We got some SB Dunk Lows, size 12 again. So let's see here. What do we got? Oh, nice. We got some Metacom Bear Bricks Dunk Lows. These things are pretty sick. They came out this year. Size 12, way too big for me, but these are probably worth around like 300 or so. And I would definitely rock these if this was my size. This other box though, if I think it is what it is, we definitely hit a home run with this thing. So here you go. We got, let's find out. I'm gonna let you guys watch with me. So, yep, it is what I think it is. We got ourselves, oh, look at the original receipt. We got ourselves a pair of Travis Scott Dunk Lows, probably the sneaker of the year, the 2020 sneaker. Look how sick these shoes are, bro. Like, you got the bandana on there, the crazy laces. These things are freaking hard, man. I would guess this has got to be like an $1,800 shoe right here. These just came out this year. Like I said, these are definitely the shoes of the year. So my boy, the Sneaker Knockerz, they definitely hit a home run with these things right here. You know, comment below what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think about this box. This has definitely got to be more than $2,000. We're gonna tally this up in a minute, but I gotta guess I got more than $2,000 worth of merch in here. Let's see if there's anything else. I'm not seeing anything else. I don't know how they could top this, but there you go. Let me know in the comments what you guys think and what other mystery boxes you think I should open. All right, yeah. So you guys just saw these sneakers and how they're both dead stock. So we just pulled up the Travis Scotts. Right now on GOAT, the best price new in box is $1,888, and then instant ship is $2,833 new in box like these. So yeah, I mean, if anybody wants to send me $2,800, you can have them all day long. The other one, let's check out these Bear Bricks. They're same thing, dead stock. I'm gonna guess these are probably like $300, $325. Let's see here. Probably. All right, so these Metacom Bear Bricks, we just pulled these up. These are going for around $325, about what I thought from GOAT. So we got ourselves a really great box here. These things are sick as well. I've seen a lot of people rocking these. But yeah, we kind of hit a home run.